Hi, my name is Arun, and I'm the co founder of Hyreo, a candidate experience platform for recruiting. Hyreo was a part of the third batch of Lab32 at T-Hub, and it's been an amazing experience so far. Firstly, T-Hub gave us access to a lot of great mentors like Ajay Jain and Naveen Alluri, who sort of connected us with the right sort of people and contacts and help us give a direction to what we were trying to do. Now, because of the whole pandemic situation, a lot of the in person workshops and boot camps had to be transformed into an online mode. But we were pleasantly surprised by the quality, relevance, and the breadth of sessions that were conducted in the last few months. It was simply fantastic. I'd also like to mention a word about the kind of leadership that we have at T Hub. Be it Ravi Narayan or Ravi Warrior or Rahul, we've had numerous occasions where we wanted specific help within a specific time frame, and they were always available on the other side trying to help us. And I'm pretty sure all the startups in our batch would echo that sentiment and say that during these tough times, T-Hub team was trying to do whatever possible to make us all comfortable. We would love to continue our association with T-Hub, and we look forward to a day when we are all able to meet together in a room. Thank you so much, T-Hub.